Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Deadpool. It's been quite a long time. Actually, I have drawn him already before starting out this channel, but today I'm going to draw him with color pencils. This is going to be epic, so please watch this video till the end. Friends, for this drawing I'm using Derwent colors of color pencils as well as polychromos color pencils, and according to me it's not a big deal until you want the most out of it, so make sure for that. And friends, if you are new to this channel, you might not seen most of my videos, so here is a quick capture of all the playlists. I have a bunch of them. Just go and watch your favorite, it will be great. And friends, so after watching this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications, and by the way, join with my lovely YouTube family. Enjoy this video, friends. Friends, I hope you like this drawing, and if you like this drawing, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications, as I said. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Bye. A quick reminder, please subscribe. Yeah, bye.